Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballdesigningdeveloper. Designing Developer. Today I will show you how to build one hello sign for Gmail in Java. And I hope you'll be also enjoying this project, also like enjoying all the previous projects of Java. And I hope you'll be enjoying this video also in this project also. Like previously on, we have just built many of the projects of like beginners, intermediate, and now we are just on advanced level projects. And I hope you'll be enjoying this video further on, which will be just coming. So if you are checking my video for the first time, so my opinion is first of all check my beginners and intermediate courses, then move to advanced, because if you directly move to advanced or intermediate courses, then it will be really difficulty for you to learning Java, and there will be many of the difficulties and doubts which you will be having related to Java. So please, my opinion is to check first of all beginners courses, then move to intermediate and advanced. So I hope till here you are enjoying my videos. So this video will be just coming. If you are new here, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and after it also like this video and share it with your friends and family members, so they can also learn how to do code and how to do programming, so they can also land a job in future, because that all things are really helpful for you also and for everyone who's learning programming or coding. And also you can check my previous courses by checking that all. Like previously on, I have just worked on Django with Python, and I will be also in future coming up with the Java tutorial, in which I will be telling you all the things from beginner to advanced, which should be really helpful for you. You can check my React and JavaScript courses, in which I have made many of the clones, and I have also made many of the website in React, which are really helpful for beginners. But that videos are really long enough, but that are really helpful for you, and you have to make that only one time, and it will be just helping you to the future. And you can just also make that project for your client if you want to make. And also you can make the websites which I have just built, and many other things also. And you can also check my previous courses of HTML and CSS if you are a new programming, or if you want to do HTML and CSS programming, you can check. And if you want to become a Python full stack developer, you can check my AI and data sciences courses, because that will be also really helpful for you. So I hope you enjoy my all the previous video also and this video also. So in this video, it will be really fun to make hello sign for Gmail, and it will be really helpful for you. So now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building hello sign for Gmail. So here you can see that I have just already opened the window of Google hello sign for Gmail. You can see. So from here you can just open. So we are just getting many of the things here. Like previously on, we have just built many of the projects like in Google Workspace Marketplace. So today is also a project of Google Workspace Marketplace, because now we have covered up previous projects of Google Apps in beginners and intermediate. So we have to now move to this workspace project. So here you can see we are just getting the main menu, or you can say burger menu at the left side, and we are also getting the background navbar, in which we are just getting light box shadow. You can say that 1 pixel or 0.5 pixel box shadow we are having. Then we are also getting like at the top navbar thing, Google Workspace logo, then written here Google Workspace Marketplace, and after that in the center we are getting a search box, in which we are getting the search icon, which is looking really good. And moving after, we are just getting a support icon, and then after it we are just getting a settings icon. If you want to do any settings in your workspace, so you can do that. Or if you want to take support, like if you don't know anything about workspace, if you are new here, so you can take support from here, and you can check some of the Google apps like you all know, which we have made, and the Google account which you have signed in, your profile will be showing, or the first letter of your Google Gmail which you have put will be just coming. And then after that we are just getting some of the side things also, like home, editor choice, and many other things at the side you can work with on these. And then we are just getting this hello sign for Gmail, which will be making today the logo of that, then written hello sign for Gmail in the center. Then we are getting the button of install. You can install that because it is an extension which you can install it in your Google Chrome. Then we are getting a paragraph here which you can read, and then how it works with, like there it is written, works with Gmail. Then after that we are just getting ratings of that, 83 of ratings. Then we are also getting installers. There are not too much installers of this hello sign, because many of the people don't use that. It is only used in big companies or any other big work or big project. And you can see overview of that, like sliders, pictures are coming, you can see, and you can also move it back. Here when I move to permission, so you can just sign in with your Gmail, and you can see there it is need, you have to need Google account to use your hello sign, because if you don't have Google account, so you can't just use, because it only use in Gmail, and for Gmail you have to make Google account. And if I move to reviews, you can see people reviews which are just coming here. Move to overview again, And then if I scroll down, you can read overview here, which is just given by the people, or you can say paragraph is written here of overview. Then you can press read more to read more information about that. Then we are getting additional information like pricing, developer option. Then we are getting support of that. Here if I move down, you will be getting its privacy policy and terms of services, which you will be getting here. And then you can press learn more to just learn more these things if you have to. And we are also getting many other things here. Now when you have just get in, now we'll be just building that. So for building that, you have to open your VS Code, which I have already opened. So simply I'll be moving here and I'll be raising these codes and I'll be writing my own code. So move here, and now simply you have to make a div tag in which we'll be storing all the codes which we'll be writing. So here I'll be writing back, closing this tag here, and I'll be pressing enter. Now just I'll be writing here like selection, right here selection svg equals to internal. So when you've written that, close this tag here. Then I will be writing a tag which will be just like here view. Then I'll be writing dot go dot selection. Okay, so we have to write these three things which is just written. So simply I'll be writing selection dot svg, and then I'll be writing dot internal. Here I will be closing this tag now. Then when you've done that, move down again. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like internal, and then I'll be writing selection here now. Then just you have to write here this tag, and here I'll be writing help. Now when you've done that, I'll be writing internal dot selection dot help. Here I will be closing this tag from here. Then move down again, then write a tag which should be like worker service equals to, then change that to like external. And then when you're done with that, close this here and write a tag which should be like worker dot service, and then you have to change that to dot external. Then close this tag from here again. Here when you're done with that, then I will be just making this bracket, or you can say this tag which I have opened. So here in that I will be writing container effect equals to use. When you've done that, close this here. Then I'll be writing container dot effect here again. So just write here. Then I'll be writing dot use. Just you have to close this tag now. When you've done with that, move down again. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like registration. Then move forward and then write a tag which will be like view terminal. So when you've done that, close this, and here I will be writing registration again. Then write dot view dot terminal. Here I will be closing this. Then move down now. Here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here buffer. So just change that to like buffer source. Then I'll be writing equals to timeout. Here I will be closing this. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like buffer dot source dot timeout. Then I will be closing this tag. Here when you've done that, move down again. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like shadow root equals to. Then change that to event. Close this tag here. Then write here like shadow dot root dot event. Close this again. When you're done with that, here I'll be moving down. Then I'll be writing a tag which will be like set animate. So spelling is incorrect. Now I'll be writing set animate equals to. Then change that to like advanced, because our file name is advanced. Like previously on, we are using the same file name. Here I'll be writing set dot animate. So write that. Okay, set internal is written here. So here I'll be now moving here. Now I will be writing. So just write here advanced. Okay, so first of all write animate, then after that write advanced. So here when you've done that, just close this tag now. Move down here, then I'll be writing effect, and then write here frame equals to key. So then write that. Then here close here, then I will be writing a tag which will be like effect dot frame dot key. Here I will be closing this, and when you've done with that all things, move down again. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like viewport, and here I will be writing visual. So just change that to here visual equals to, then change that to run. When you've done that, close this again. Here I will be writing viewport dot visual, and then you have to change that to run. Close this tag here now. Then just simply save this file from here. I will be moving down. Then I'll be writing duplicate. Here you have to change that to like terminal again. So previously on we have written terminal after writing this tag. So we have to just now write terminal before that in blue color, which we are just getting. Then I will be changing that to go. Here you have to write a tag which will be like duplicate again. Then write dot terminal. Here I will be writing dot go. Just close this tag now. Then when you're done with that, move down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like define. Then you have to change that to form equals to. Then you have to change that to a tag which will be like script. Here when you've done that, close this and write define tag here. .form.script. Now close this, and when you've done that, save this file, and if I show you in the Google Chrome, our project should be just ready of hello sign in for Gmail, which we are just making. So simply open your Google Chrome window, and you can see that here it is, our hello sign for Gmail, which we have to make is now ready. You can see we are getting the all the things which I have shown you in the demo, like the main menu, or you can say burner menu at the left side, then Google Workspace written with the logo. After that, we are getting the center, in which we are just getting our search apps. You can search your apps from here, and you will be also getting the search icon. Then support section, settings, and Google Apps. Then we are getting our Gmail icon also, which from which account we have signed in with. Hello sign written at the center, logo of that, and paragraph written, and the install button also, which is just having the, you can say, a hover effect of light black, and then we are getting the box shadow at the nav bar also of 0.5 or 1 pixel. Then we are getting by hello sign written, and how it works with the Gmail logo is coming, ratings of that, then installs of that, and overview and permissions reviews tag. You can also see if I move to permissions, so you can see permissions are just here, you can see that. And if I move to simply reviews, so you can see people reviews which they have put. And if I move to overview, and if I scroll down, so you will be seeing paragraph written here of overview, and you can also read more, and then additional information about that all things. So like that, you can build your own hello sign for Gmail in Java. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project. So if you have enjoyed, so please like this video and also subscribe on my channel, because it's really motivate me to make more these videos and do more hard work for you, so that you can learn more than enough things from that, and you can also you will be having fun to make these projects, because that projects are easy, but it will be really helping you in your future life. So please make that all projects, and just I hope you enjoy my all the previous video, and check my also previous videos if you are a beginner programmer, because that will be really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.